Day after day, with innocent devotion and without any formal rituals, they worshipped Lord Ganesha, offering even the cucumbers they had carried for themselves. As time passed, this sacred place came to be called Southadka or Southadka, a name born from the local word saute, meaning cucumber. Once, some time ago, in a corner of this beautiful village, a few cowherd children played joyfully. One day, the children, after a lively discussion, decided to worship Lord Ganesha as an innocent prey, born from imitating their elders. The next morning, they gathered clay to shape an idol of Lord Ganesha. With innocent hands and joyful hearts, they molded it into the beautiful form of the Lord. Thereafter, under that very trees, Lord Mahagaɲapathi was enshrined on the exact sacred place. Thus, pleased by the cucumbers and the innocent devotion of the cowherd children, Lord Mahagaɲapathi has, from then until today, continued to dwell beneath the trees, bestowing blessings upon all devotees. Here, at the sacred seat of Lord Mahagaɲapathi, devotion shines above all.